Finally guys, you guys have been waiting for this moment. My spoon mid pipe has finally arrived after 5 months later. The reason why it took so long is that, well, one, I had to pre-order it. Two, it was stuck over in California's port for like 2 months, straight 2 months. The reason why is that is obviously with all the COVID outbreak and all, bunch of employees down at the California port, a bunch of workers down there caught COVID, so they didn't have not enough employees down there to unload the packages. So, guys, what's that box over there? What's that box over there saying? Oh, what's that say right there? What's that say? What's it say? Kimmy, oh, what's that? Is this Spoon Sport Boy? Oh yeah, boy! I'm about 6 feet tall. This thing is about 6 feet tall, almost same height as me. That's crazy, man. This thing is long, but it's pretty light, I gotta say. I'm excited to, you know what, let's just unbox this thing, guys. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys unpackaging and also installing my spoon mid pipe, guys. Oh my goodness! Oh, I can't believe it's finally here. Oh my god, my car's gonna sound so nice, even nicer, huh? My little baby TE. What'd you say? Huh? Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's unpackage this thing, bad boy, huh? Made in Japan, Spoon Sports, yo! Yeah, look how long shilong and dong is that. Pretty long. It's about mid pipe, I'll say. Yeah, just like my Johnson. Alright, let's start this, boys. Am I already struggling? There you go, that's one. Alright. Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen. Dude. Okay. Look at all that bits and pieces, huh? I can't believe it. Alright, I gotta show you guys, man. I gotta show you guys the mid pipe. So that's gonna be the header side, and this is gonna be where the spoon and one side is gonna be connected here. I will show you guys close up, but even got the number on here, man. That's hella dope. No way, dude. Oh my god. Those welding jobs are just on point. It's so shiny. Oh, it's so shiny, guys. Take a good look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, look how shiny that is. That's crazy. So this is the header side. It got 3 bolts, and then it just go down. Dude, this is so thin. It's gonna be so loud. The popping noise is gonna be so loud. Even got the certified number on here, Spoon Sports, certified ultimate performance. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look how shiny. Look at the welding job. Oh my god, can you guys see that? Look at that. Focus on that. Oh my goodness, guys. Sheesh. Oh my god, this is so nice. Can't believe it, man. Alright guys, so this little package came as well. I'm pretty sure these two goes on the header side. I'm gonna look it up a little bit more, which one goes which, but or actually this might be the header side and this might be the tailpipe side. And then there's 2 springs on it for the tailpipe side connecting part, and then also the bolts, 2 bolts for the tailpipe side for the spoon and 1 exhaust side. So yeah, it's the stud, and then the spring will go over the stud, and then after you put them on, you tighten it down like just like that. So yeah, oh my goodness, this is, oh my goodness, I am so excited to throw this on, guys. But anyways, guys, the stock mid pipe that I got on my car right now is massive. It's like a garbage can, and this is a lot smaller, just like the spoon N1 size. So I am super excited what it's gonna sound like. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to throw this bad boy on, man. Sheesh. Alright guys, my car is jacked up in the air. It is ready to go. I have my jack as a safety for the back for the jacking point, and you can throw some wheels underneath as safety. So, but yeah, some of you guys have asked me where are the 2 jacking point on the RSX. I'm gonna show you guys first on the rear here, guys, where the tow hook is. That's where I lift it up. So yeah, that thing is very sturdy. So the tow hook in the rear, and then for the front, guys, front. will be right below here. I don't know, it's kind of hard to see, but this guy right here, that's where you want to be your jacking point. You can even see the arrow right here for the jacking point. So yeah, that's 2. So yeah, and then I usually go side by side. There is a place for like a pinch point right there. You guys can't really see it, but if you're underneath of the car looking at it for the fronts, you can see the pinch point, or you can go off the frame rail as well. So yeah, or in the back, you guys can see this better. It looks like an L shape right there. So yeah, that's where you want to set your jack stand on. So yeah, if you guys were curious on that, that's that. But yeah, whenever I'm jacking up the car, I usually start off from the front of the vehicle and then go back. So after I, jack up the front, I throw the 2 jack stand in the front, and then after I move on to the rear, and then jack up the rear, and then throw the 2 jack stand in the back. So yeah, that's how I usually do it. So yeah, if you guys are curious or wondering, or if you're like, beginning to work on your car, that's how I pretty much do it. So on the tailpipe side, you guys are going to be using a 12 mil bolt to loosen the 2 bolts that's back there for the mid pipe, and for the header side, you guys are going to be loosening it with a 14 mil bolt. So as you guys can see, there's 3 14s right there. So yeah, that's why you're going to be loosening it. Let's try with my actually impact here. That came out easy. Nice. Alright, so 1 14 mil bolt out. Sheesh! Done, boys! 3 bolts in and out. Alright, so that's that. And I'm pretty sure... Oh yeah, that's on there. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna leave that on there. I'm just gonna reuse that as well. Get the 2 12 mil bolts out from the back here. Come on. Why is this such a stiff angle? Alright guys, I got the mid pipe out. I'm just doing like a side-by-side comparison. So just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna remove the exhaust hanger to the new one, and yeah, taking off the exhaust hanger, guys, it was pretty easy. You just pull it out hard as you can, and a little bit of help with WD-40, or you can use a flathead screwdriver to stick it in and then kind of pry it and to take it out. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna kind of show you guys how I did it with these bottom 2. So I'm just kind of stick it in there and then kind of push it, and it should come out. Hopefully it will come out. Alright, there you go. Alright, 1 down, 1 more to go. Almost. Come on, you almost did. There you go. Alright, that's out. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, the hard part is done. Now next step is the easy part, just pretty much putting everything back together. So yeah, sheesh, that was a workout. Alright guys, so the little package that came inside of the box here, guys, this little circle thingy, it goes on the tailpipe side, because if you look at my old mid pipe here, the tailpipe side, as you guys can see, has the same part on it, just like that. So I'm gonna just give some love tap on it, and then just kind of tap it in on it, and yeah, install it. And then the cock ring side is gonna be the header side. So did I just say cock ring? Yeah, I think I just did. But yeah, this little O-ring, the gasket, is gonna go on the header side. This part number 1A229, here, let me focus on that, 1A229 SP0-003. Now that's gonna be the exhaust side. And on the other O-ring, guys, parts number, let me look it up, 1A, let me focus on that, 1A393-SS0-J30. Okay, cool. So the O-ring is gonna go on the header side. Actually, I might actually not need this part, because none of them fits right in at all. So I don't think I need it. So just the exhaust side, the tailpipe side, I'm just gonna give some love tap on it, so let's install that. The new stud for the tailpipe side came in also with the little spring, so I'm gonna install that since I got the spoon N1 exhaust as well. And after I get my 4-to-2 and 2-to-1 headers, I'm gonna install these 3 bolts, so yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna use a dead blow on this bad boy. Should just slide right in. Or on this, I don't think I need it. Well, just maybe a little bit of love tap. Alright, now you guys can really see it, what's going on for installation. So, I got the 2 new screws. I'm going to be putting it in, and I'm pretty sure it's still 12 mil. Let me check that real quick first. Yep, still 12 mil. I'm pretty sure these are like OEM. So, yeah. Alright, let me see. I'm going to put the easy side first. Alright, now I'm just going to tighten these 14 mil bolts down for the header side. Alright. Okay. Now, I am gonna tighten these 2 12 mil bolts out. Alright, boys and girls. Everything else is installed. All that is together. Let's start this baby up. Sheesh. Still kind of sounds the same. Still kind of sounds the same. Disappointment. But oh well. You know what? Never mind. It actually kind of sounds a little bit deeper. Huh. Kind of sounds a little bit more aggressive now. Okay. Alright boys, I know it's a little bit dark right now, but I am driving around this thing. The popping noise is much louder. I was right. Yep, there you go. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, here. Right there. Right there. Oh my god. It sounds so much better. It's not like obnoxiously loud, but it's like perfect. Oh my goodness. Woo! Much better, man. Much better. Alright boys, the exhaust gaskets are not leaking anymore. I did the test. I don't feel any air coming out. So all good, very nice. In the back here too, same, no air leaking, very nice. All right, all set, baby. I mean, look how beautiful she is. Spoon mid pipe, the B pipe. Oh my goodness, so nice with the spoon N1. Oh. And guys, that pretty much concludes for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, installing my spoon mid pipe on my RSX Type S, guys. Now, it definitely got louder, just a hair, I will say, whenever you start it up. But then while you're driving it, that popping noise, whenever you downshift or you let off the throttle, that popping noise definitely got louder. What definitely got louder was whenever you hit VTEC, guys. That is a huge difference between the stock mid pipe and the spoon mid pipe, guys. It's a game changer. So definitely, guys, with this mid pipe, I think I made about another roughly 5 to 10 horsepower, I want to say. I can definitely tell a huge difference on this. definitely guys, it's a game changer for sure, by sound and power and everything guys. So definitely highly recommend, if you do already have the Spoon N1 exhaust, which is the muffler part, so I would definitely recommend you getting that first if you haven't got that, and then after that install the mid pipe. So but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's installation video. On my next video guys, I'm going to be doing a Spoon mid pipe review, so stay tuned on that, how it sound. So yeah, but other than that guys, peace out and stay thirsty my friends.